Hi everyone, welcome back to day 4. So today we are basically going to build a simple to-do list app in PHP. So we have here our folder for day 4 and inside it we have index.php. So the first thing is we are going to create a HTML structure with a title to-do list and heading to-do list. And then inside this we are going to add a form, which is basically going to take the method of post, and then we are going to add the task, which is a text, and we give it ID of task submit. So, and then here we created tasks.txt, in that when we add our tasks, they will be added into the tasks.txt. For example, these are the tasks that I added, and then now we are going to delete this. We are going to delete everything here and just leave it empty. So after doing this, this is how our form is going to look, and if there is no tasks, it will just show that there is no tasks found. So we are going to create a function called display tasks. We create a variable called tasks, and the file is the task.txt will basically contain all our tasks, and if we don't have it, it will be created automatically once we add a task. If our task is empty, it will just say no tasks found. As you see here, it says no tasks. Alright, so after creating the display task function, we're gonna come here into our to-do list and then request the method post, which is going to take a variable new task, and then we post it. And if the task is new, we open our file, which is task.txt, and then we write a new task. So the PHP EOL basically forces us to write the new task on a new line, and then we close, and we shall be redirected to the same page after adding a new task. And then after all this, we call the function that we created called display task, which will display all the recent tasks that we have added. So what happens is when I add a new task here called wash PHP EOL, so we are just basically going to remove this quotation. Let's leave our tasks empty, and then let's go back and refresh. So we have wash, then we have write, then we have clean. So every task we add will be added into the tasks.txt file. The display task function will show us all the tasks down here. So you can style this to any way you want and customize it to any way you want, or you can choose to use a database to store some of these tasks if you feel like. But basically this is a simple to-do list using PHP. So let's add the code to GitHub, git commit, hit the message, modified day 4, and then we do a git push. Sorry, the command is git push. And there we go. So please visit this repository and make sure that you get all the code if you need to. And I'll be updating it every day until we finish our 30 days. See you tomorrow.